Welcome to this instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression 4x squared plus 4x divided by 2x to its lowest terms. In this video, we will go through step by step on how to simplify this expression by factoring out the greatest common factor and reducing it to its simplest form. Let's get started. Step 1 to solving the problem, reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. 4x squared plus 4x over 2x. First, we need to simplify the expression in the numerator. 4x squared plus 4x. We can notice that both terms in the numerator share a common factor, which is 4x. So we factor out the 4x from the numerator. Factoring means pulling out the common factor and rewriting the expression in a simpler form. When we factor 4x out of 4x squared and 4x, we get 4x times the quantity x plus 1. This means we rewrite the numerator as 4x times the quantity x plus 1. Now the expression looks like this: 4x times the quantity x plus 1 over 2x. This completes step 1. We have successfully factored the numerator to simplify the expression. Next, we can continue simplifying by canceling out common terms from the numerator and the denominator. Step 2 to solving the problem is to simplify the expression further by canceling out the common terms in the numerator and the denominator. We have simplified our expression to 4x times the quantity x plus 1 over 2x. Next, we look at the numerator and the denominator to identify any common factors that we can cancel out. Here, both the numerator and the denominator have an x in them, and both the numerator and the denominator have a number as a factor. The numerator has 4 times x times the quantity x plus 1, while the denominator has 2 times x. Since both the numerator and the denominator have the common factor x, we can cancel out the x from both the numerator and the denominator. We can also cancel out the numeric components by noticing that 4 and 2 have a common factor of 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, so we would be left with 2 times the quantity x plus 1 over 1. This leaves us with the simplified expression, 2 times the quantity x plus 1. This completes the final step. We have successfully reduced the rational expression to its lowest terms. The final simplified form of the expression is 2 times the quantity x plus 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.